Hello everyone. Welcome to English Shorthand classes. Legal dictation. Get ready for the dictation. Start. I would also like to point out to this august house that almost all instances of arrests and harassment to our fishermen seems to have occurred in Sri Lanka waters when our fishermen stray across the international maritime boundary line stop. While this by itself does not provide any justification for use of force against our fishermen, we need to be conscious of the sensitivities on the Sri Lanka side and of the many Sri Lanka fishermen who have, after a long hiatus, started fishing in that area. Stop. In fact, it is keeping in mind the humanitarian and livelihood dimensions of this issue that the two governments on 26th October 2008 had issued a joint statement on fishing arrangements under which both agreed to put in place practical arrangements to deal with bona fide fishermen from either country crossing the IMBL stop. It was agreed that there will be no firing on Indian fishing vessels stop. While the incidents in 2011 have no doubt caused much consternation and concern in India, it is also pertinent to point out that after October 2008, there has been a significant decrease in 2009 and 2010 in apprehension of Indian fishermen and use of force against them in 2009 and 2010 stop. Both our countries have agreed that the joint working group on fisheries will meet in March this year stop. We would also encourage the fishing associations of both countries to continue with their informal contacts since such contacts have proved to be mutually beneficial. So, I hope that in the days to come, our countries move forward to ensure that our fishermen can fish with safety and security. So, Madam Speaker, honorable members would be aware that the US government closed last month Tri Valley University in California for alleged immigration, fraud, and other irregularities. Stop. The university was authorized in February 2009 to admit a limited number of foreign students but did not enjoy state accreditation stop. Approximately 1,500 Indian students, constituting 95% of the enrollment at the university, face an uncertain academic future stop. The students were on valid visas or authorization stop. US authorities questioned a number of Indian students, and 18 of them were initially detained and then released with radio monitoring devices on their ankles pending completion of the investigations for possible involvement in the irregularities. Stop. The government, as well as our embassy and consulate general in the United States, are fully engaged in addressing the welfare and the academic future of the affected students. Stop.